Yes, this is what we have also heard, Shiv, that immediately after departure from the airport, they will arrive at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, which is the official residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And PM Modi has actually arranged a private dinner for President Putin. And though the details of private dinner are not disclosed so far, that those who are invited, but it is believed that those who are close to President Putin, like Deputy Prime Minister is already here, he will be part of the official dinner, which is being hosted by PM Modi at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. And apart from that, PM Modi has also invited a few senior cabinet colleagues for this meeting. And there will be informal discussion as far as this dinner is concerned, and because this is unusual, first Prime Minister breaks the protocol to receive President Putin at the airport, and now without being given the guard of honor, which will actually happen tomorrow at the President House, the private dinner is being hosted right now, and they are traveling in the same car. That is also a signal about the bond and the friendship both the leaders share. Sure.
Let's also go across to Himanshu, joining us live from Sardar Patel Marg. I believe the security has been set up there. The Prime Minister's route is going to pass through that area. Over to you, Himanshu.
Well, I'm standing a few meters from the SP Marg, and on my left side you can see the PM security protocol, and this is the cavalcade. We can see perhaps the first car in the cavalcade, which has just crossed our television screen now. This is SP Marg. This is the route which is just a few meters from ITC Maurya, where President Putin will stay. His entire delegation will stay. In fact, you can see one by one the vehicles are crossing this area, and on my right side you can see the barricades have been put in place, and this happens when Prime Minister Modi travels within the city. So all the vehicle has been stopped on this road, and any time now on the screen that you see, the Prime Minister with President Putin will cross this road just in next few minutes. And interestingly, this ITC Maurya is just a few meters from where I'm standing now, and this is also the route that Prime Minister takes to go home to 7 Kalyan Marg. So I think we'll have to wait for perhaps a few more minutes. But as you can see, the PM security protocol has been activated on SP Marg. This is exactly the route that Prime Minister Modi had taken when he had gone to Palam technical area to receive President Putin. And this is exactly the route Prime Minister Modi will take to come back with President Putin. Of course, you've been talking about the political significance, the diplomatic symbolism of Prime Minister Modi going to receive Putin. And now you can see the security vehicles are gradually crossing this area. It's a long cavalcade, we have been told, because there are Russian security agencies also along with the SPG and the Delhi police, and that's why there is very tough security. The entire road has been sealed from here till Palam technical area. There are hundreds of paramilitary forces who have been deployed along this route, and we have seen last 2 hours extremely high security. The ITC Maurya hotel, in fact, has been sealed from all sides. No outsider is being allowed to go inside except the Russian delegation. And I can see the sirens now on my right side. There is a movement of VIP vehicles along this route, and we are getting this indication that any time the cavalcade will cross this area. You can see another security vehicle has crossed this. This is a long stretch. Now you can see the number of vehicles, and I think we are now watching live the cavalcade of Prime Minister Modi and President Putin crossing the SP Marg here. These are live visuals we are giving. It's a long cavalcade. You can see these are SPG vehicles and also vehicles belonging to Russian security agencies who have escorted Putin to India. And this cavalcade now has passed, and from here the distance to 7 Kalyan Marg, Lok Kalyan Marg, I think is just a couple of kilometers. So next few minutes, both the leaders will be at PM residence, and the private dinner that Prime Minister Modi is hosting.
He's going to stop off at the ITC Maurya, where